So, hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video, we'll cover the best flip screen cameras. Do know you can find timestamps and links in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment. And also know this is not a sponsored video. Let's get started. Today's mid-range market offers plenty of exciting options for aspiring creators, but not every camera is perfectly opted to do this job. Content creators require a unique subset of features than typical photographers, and the last thing you want to do is spend 45 minutes pouring your story out into a vlog only to realize half of your face is visible during the video and the focus is off. Ouch. In comes the flip screen, the perfect suit for those recording pieces to camera. Today's flip screen cameras come in several varieties, from tilting, fully articulating, flip up, or flip down. But regardless, an articulating or flip screen is a useful addition. Traditionally, they first came to the market to offer more versatility for photographers wanting to take photos at unusual angles, and they were a tool to reduce much of the back pain caused by awkwardly composing through the viewfinder. But over recent years, vloggers and content creators have popularized this design, so much so that many cameras today offer an articulating screen of some sort, and it's a universal standard of sorts. Like photographers, vlogging requires a unique angle for composing, and the flip screen has thoroughly removed any of the guesswork involved with setting up the perfect shot. And if you want to vlog or start a YouTube channel, a camera with a flip screen will surely be the best choice. But there's no shortage of cameras with flip screens today. Almost every camera has an articulating screen of some sort, so it'll likely be somewhat tricky to find the perfect one, given the options. With that, in today's video, we'll cover the best cameras with a flip screen on the present market, and also you can find the detailed comprehensive guide on the factors to consider when looking at flip screen cameras in the link in the description box down below. Also of note, we did choose to focus on flip up screens with this video. The reason is that this design lends to more flattering and natural pieces to camera, and it's not readily apparent to your viewers. You're looking at yourself on the display to check various camera settings while recording. Other designs unfortunately make it quickly noticeable to your viewers, and it loses engagement at that moment. But with that out of the way, on with the list. Coming at number 5, Canon's EOS M6 Mark II. Canon's EOS M6 Mark II is their flagship mirrorless APS-C camera. Released in 2019, it features a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, the Digic 8 processor, 4K 30 FPS, and 1080p 60 FPS video. It also features a 3-inch flip touchscreen, HDR movie, time-lapse, wireless connectivity, USB charging, and a microphone input. The EOS M6 II obtains Canon's dual pixel AF, also known as DPAF. This legendary autofocusing system implements a total of 5481 selectable autofocusing points, the largest in their mirrorless APS-C lineup to date, and it also brings along an updated face and eye detection system that provides relentless tracking during video recordings. Interestingly, it was among the first in Canon's lineup to provide DPAF when shooting 4K video, but it's an addition that's genuinely game-changing at this price point. The camera also offers digital image stabilization, so you can use lenses without optical stabilization and still create reliable results, and it even provides the high frame rate movie mode, which renders 120 FPS videos in 1080p in camera, saving time during editing. Overall, Canon's EOS M6 Mark II provides the highest resolution sensor of the APS-C segment and sets new standards for the class. And for content creators looking for a powerful, high-resolution option, this is easily your best go-to choice. Coming in at number 4, Canon's EOS M200. Canon's EOS M200 is their follow-up release to replace the hit EOS M100, and it's one of their most affordable mirrorless cameras. Released in 2019, it features a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor, the Digic 8 processor, 4K 30 FPS, and 1080p 60 FPS video. It also features a 3-inch flip touchscreen, time-lapse, vertical video, HDR, wireless connectivity, and USB charging. The EOS M200 uses Canon's 143-point phase detect AF system and dual pixel AF with face and eye detection. And with this new release, Canon's brought 4K video to the lineup, a notable addition and improvement over its predecessor. Additionally, they've also added vertical video support, allowing you to shoot vertically to all the popular social media platforms. But crucially, this camera is configured with beginners in mind. It has an extensive guide mode, displaying on-screen tips and detailed tutorials to help you master the best camera settings for the shoot at hand. And this feature becomes a key selling point over rivals, which mostly lack on-screen tips or any useful information on screen. Overall, Canon's EOS M200 packs a powerful sensor and autofocusing system into a dangerously compact body, and it delivers high-end performance to the beginner at a fraction of the price. Sure, it lacks a microphone input, but even so, it's an excellent option for new creators looking for an easy-to-use camera with smartphone-level simplicity. Coming in at number 3, Sony's A6100. Sony's A6100 is the long-awaited update to the original A6000, a hallmark release in Sony's lineup. Released in 2019, it features a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, the Bion's X processor, 4K 30fps, and 1080p 120fps video. It also features a 3-inch flip touchscreen, time-lapse, zebras, wireless connectivity, USB charging, and a microphone input. The A6100 obtains Sony's high-end 425-point phase detect AF system with real-time autofocus for humans and animals. And despite its entry-level classification, it delivers among the top autofocusing performance at this price point. And unlike rivals, it also records both sound and maintains focus when recording at 120fps, a rarity in this class. Plus, it's also one of the few cameras that boasts unlimited video recording, not the standard 30-minute limit. Overall, Sony's A6100 is a powerful all-rounder as an entry-level camera, and compared to the original A6000, it's leaps and bounds improved in technology and capability. Sure, it's the most affordable recent Alpha series camera, but it obtains much of the class-leading innovations from its pricier peers without their price. Coming in at number 2, Panasonic's ZS80, or also known as the TZ95. Panasonic's ZS80 is their latest compact super zoom camera in the TZ lineup. Released in 2019, it features a 20-megapixel 1/2.3-inch sensor, 4K 30fps, and 1080p 60fps video. It also has a 3-inch flipping touchscreen, hybrid stabilization, HDR, time-lapse, stop motion, and wireless connectivity. The ZS80 uses a contrast detect AF system with face detection, but as a compact super zoom, it features an included lens. In this case, it offers an enormous 24 to 720 millimeter equivalent lens, and this lens provides unrivaled versatility to capture close or even far off subjects. Plus, it even has an intelligent zoom feature, which doubles the standard 30 times optical zoom to 60 times or 1050 millimeters for a supremely unique perspective of the world. Overall, Panasonic's ZS80 is a powerful compact with a superb zoom lens, and while it's mostly an incremental update over the already popular ZS70, it's one that continues the robust feature set known in this lineup. Sure, it also lacks a microphone input, but it provides a compelling all-in-one package that's well suited for beginning creators. Coming in at number 1, Canon's G7X Mark III. Canon's G7X III is their third entry into the esteemed G7X lineup of sleek multimedia compact cameras. Released in 2019, it features a 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor, the Digic 8 processor, 4K 30fps, and 1080p 60fps video. It also features a 3-inch flip touchscreen, optical stabilization, neutral density filters, time-lapse, HDR movie, USB charging, wireless connectivity, and a microphone input. The G7X III uses a 31-point contrast detect AF system with face and tracking. Like the ZS80, it too is a compact camera that offers a built-in lens. In this case, it provides a 24 to 100 millimeter equivalent lens, but unlike rivals, it's one of the few cameras in this particular segment with vertical video support for Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. And it's also the first camera to support live streaming direct to YouTube via Canon's Image Gateway app. Plus, it also obtains the high frame rate movie mode from its siblings to shoot 120 FPS videos in camera, saving time. Overall, Canon's G7X III offers some exciting additions and updates over its predecessor, and it's quite a compact powerhouse for aspiring creators looking for an intelligent yet simple solution to create great content. So there you have it, my friends. There is our list of the best flip screen cameras. For more information on this list, look at the pinned comment in the description box down below, and that will take you right to the full post. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and it added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if we overlooked something or we missed something that we covered in today's video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. Photography.